Alrighty, hey Gleam team, today we are doing a restoration of a wooden deck. You see the wooden deck behind me here. We're going to be restoring this deck back to its original look and feel so that the homeowner can sand, stain, and seal their deck. They want to choose a different color. Anyway, so let's take a look at the deck. Alright, so we started with a complete rinse and clean out and just soak all the areas, getting and paying attention to all of those little cracks and crevices in there and spraying out any of that gunk, getting out all that we can. So we're just waiting for the wood to soak up a bit of this water, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a pre-spray with our wood restore so we can bring this back to its natural glory.